And there's something in the water. It's dark and shiny and has 1, 2, 3 humps.
It couldn't be. Can I have a look? Skippering starfish. It is!
What?
Sullivan, I think we've just found the LOCH Monster.
The LOCH Monster? What is that?
Stories have been told for years that a monster lives in this loch, but no one has ever found it. Until now. Let's go! We could be the first to discover it. It could be named after us. Benji's Bubbling Beast.
The Sullivan Sea Monster.
This was where we spotted it.
Do you think we're in the right place? I can't see anything. The water's really dark.
Well, that's lochs for you. When it rains in the mountains up there, the water flows downhill and into here, taking all the dirt with it. That's what makes the water so murky. Jumping jellyfish.
I saw something. Slithery.
I think this might be it. Over there! Ah, false alarm. That's just a river otter. And her pups.
She's teaching them how to swim.
And how to hold their breath. Did you know they can swim underwater for 8 whole minutes? I wouldn't challenge them to a diving competition if I were you. Now, where is that monster?
Benji? Benji? Benji! I think I found the LOCH Monster.
Where? Where is it? Well, what do you know? It was 3 river otters all along.